happy fall. I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. It's been about 4 months since I've uploaded on YouTube. Basically, I came back from Europe and I just tried to enjoy the rest of my summer. And then fall came and I've been so busy with work and everything else that I've just had time to kind of sit down and film something real quick for you guys. I do have footage from Europe. I have a lot of footage from Europe, actually quite overwhelmingly so. It kind of feels like when I went to Japan and I came back and I spent I think a year editing those videos, but I will try to be more diligent. As you can see, I am all glammed up again. I'm actually going on another trip. I know I didn't even upload anything from my previous trip and I'm going on another one. This one's a lot shorter. Today I'm not talking about the trip though. I'm actually talking about something I'm really excited about. So RawSpiceBar has contacted me asking me if I'd like to do a review video or if they could even just send some free spices for me to open and check out. And I was really excited because they contacted me back in 2016, oh gosh, 2017. It's been a couple of years and I really enjoyed their spices and I really enjoy the idea of the subscription service. I'll link in the description box below the previous video that I did with RawSpiceBar. So in case you haven't seen that one or you're new to this, hi! RawSpiceBar is a monthly spice subscription service. If you're interested in their kit, it's $8 for 1 month or $6 per month if you subscribe to the entire year. You get 3 spices each month and you get to take a little quiz online beforehand to see what kind of spices you like or what kind of world flavors you'd like to try out. I think it's really cool. If you're not into the whole subscription idea, you can also just buy the spices from their site and they have spices from all over the world. And for someone like me who doesn't really know what kind of spices they like or would like to always try something different in the kitchen, I think it's a really cute little idea. So here is the packaging. It was really quick. I think they shipped it within 1 week to 2 weeks max. If you're looking for a subscription service where you're not going to be held up with delivery and things like that, I think RawSpiceBar is really great. I'm just going to cover, but yeah, that's RawSpiceBar. I really like their packaging too. It's not very big. My mailbox, I can fit right into it very easily, so I don't have to be afraid of anyone stealing it if I'm not at home for a couple of days. And what I'm really excited about is just feeling the package. If you look at my previous video, all the spices came in a little paper packet, which I thought was a great idea, but it sounds like it's a little more hard. The only thing about those paper bags was they were not resealable. So if I was done using them, I had to find another place to put them. It just felt like not as efficient in terms of storing the spices. Whereas this one, it feels like there is a container for it already, so I don't have to worry about placing them. Another great thing is it uses recyclable paper, so you can definitely throw this into the recycling when you're done. Anything that can help the environment, I also think is great. I've actually gotten this box a while now, but I've just been trying to find the right time to sit down and film, and therefore I apologize to myself for not getting to this sooner. Ooh, can I do this without? Gonna make leeway? Oh, did it. So you can always use scissors. I'm just lazy. So yeah, as you can see, you can recycle. Ooh, yes. Okay, so fall is one of my favorite seasons. I think the last video that I made for RawSpiceBar was also Thanksgiving flavors, and there's just something about fall. I think it's not too hot, it's not too cold, the leaves are changing color. Halloween, which is one of my favorite holidays, it's just a great time if you're looking for thrills and spooks, but if you're looking for whimsy, they kind of have that too. I don't know, I love it. I also am a huge pumpkin pie fiend. I know you can have pumpkin pie all year round, but I particularly wait till October and I try to have as much of it as I can. So I'm really hoping there's some sort of pumpkin spice in here, and it looks like there is. Ooh, right away, I love the packaging. I'm gonna see if I can show all 3. So here it is. This is the Blackened Cajun salt-free, and then this is pumpkin pie spice, and then this is golden milk turmeric. I'm not sure if it's because they're sending these to me as a sample. There's no recipe cards in here. I do remember the last video I made, it came with recipe cards. I did like that, but I'll have to verify if you buy it from the site, if they'll send you recipes. I'm pretty sure if you have If you just go on the site and you look, there are recipes provided for you. Yeah, if you go on their site, there's a recipe portion. You can click onto it, and I'm sure you can type in and search the spice you're looking for, and I'll come up with recipes. These are all 1 ounces of spice inside. I'm trying not to. This one is naturally organic ginger, allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, black peppercorn, star anise. I'm going to open it. I'm trying not to. I have to be really careful with spices. I do like the tin packaging of it. What I really like is if you want, you can put, I wonder if these are magnetic. I don't think they are, but you know what? I'm gonna check. Okay, so these are not magnetic, but what you can do is you can put a little bit of a magnet on the inside of it and you can stick it onto the fridge, and I think having them all lined up, it'll look really, really pretty. I'm really nervous about opening it because I don't want it to fly everywhere. I'm on carpet. Also, I want to save it. Oh God, help me, please. Oh God, I'm getting nervous. I'm sweating. Got it. Okay. Oh, I was being overly nervous. They're not that hard to open. It kind of reminds me of a makeup palette. And this is quite a big amount for a subscription service. Spices, a little goes a long way. I don't really think you need to use a lot of it. So, ooh, I can definitely smell the I can definitely smell the allspice. I can definitely smell the ginger. You are not supposed to taste these spices raw, but for you guys, I'm going to do it. Oh, that's actually really nice. Yeah. It says pumpkin pie spice, but you can definitely put this in like a normal latte, put it in your drinks. If you're making banana bread and you want a little pumpkin, I think there's a lot of things you can make with this actually. I'm thinking all dessert related because I love my pumpkin spice in desserts, but you can definitely use this in other things. Black and Cajun, I'm actually really excited about this. I didn't think I was gonna get this. I didn't think I'd get this because I was thinking of fall flavors. And Cajun spice isn't something that I'm super familiar with cooking, so it's not, I wouldn't gravitate towards buying it at a grocery store, which is why subscription services are so great because you get to try. I'm being super careful. I should just start showing my struggle up here. Okay. I just don't want to, okay. Oh, okay. I try not to, but it smells so good. I can definitely see myself just putting this on chicken and grilling it, fish. This one's gonna be perfect because I don't think you need to add anything to it, whereas the pumpkin pie spice, you kind of need to mix it in with a couple more ingredients in order to make something, whereas I think Black and Cajun, you just need to cook it. I probably don't have time to make recipes for this video with these spices just because I'm heading out to my trip at the end of the week, but I would like to make another video just for myself. But I am excited to just check out and see how tasty these are. The last one is Golden Milk Tumeric. I don't know if I have turmeric at home. I don't know if I've actually used turmeric in a lot of things. It has black peppercorn, mackay, naturally organic ginger root, cardamom. Seems like the only thing I'm familiar with turmeric is maybe some sort of curry, some sort of rub. This one looks so pretty. It looks like a makeup palette. Oh, it smells really, really ginger. This one I'll have to do a little more research. It smells and tastes really good. I'm just trying to think of what I would want to make. Maybe a curry. I think I'd want to put this in a curry. Maybe in a fried rice. I'd like to check it out. So yeah, I will link the website to RawSpiceBar if you guys would like to check it out. I was really happy with the spices that I filmed last time, so I'm really happy that RawSpiceBar wanted me to do a little unboxing and to check these out. I don't know, I just think it's such a cute little idea, and they do gift boxes too. Christmas is around the corner. You know, somebody that likes to cook, is a big foodie, likes to explore all the time, and they would like to do something like this. I think it's a really cute idea. They also do huge gift sets, so it's not just a subscription service. And the sets range from 40 something to 70 something, but I think you're getting 6 to 10 spices, and they're all in this full size. So I think you're gonna get a lot for your buck. It's definitely something you or whoever you want can use and try all year round. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that it's not one of my travel fancy ones that you're probably all waiting for. They are coming, I swear. When I come back from my second trip, I will try my best to start editing. I wanted this video to be mostly about RawSpiceBar, so that's why I didn't want to talk too much about the trip. But just know that I'm not going for very long. I'll be back. I will definitely try to film some recipe ones with these, and I hope you guys look forward to my other videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun unboxing. I've been dying to unbox these for so long, and I finally got a chance to do it because I could sit down and film. And I'm really excited. I'm actually really happy with all the spices that I got. So if you'd like to check them out, I will once again put the subscription and my last video in the box below. And yeah, I think for all the foodies out there, it's just a great little thing to have. That's it. I guess I'll do my classic outro. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and join me on my next adventure. See you next video. Bye!